Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to use AliExpress coupon. So open AliExpress application on your device and go to whatever product that you want to order. So for example this one, and now I need to proceed my checkout page. So I press red button buy now, I select which exactly item I want to purchase, tap continue button, and now I'm in my order confirmation page, and here I need to scroll down a little bit until I see section promo codes. So this is basically our coupon section, and enter your code here, and do not forget to tap apply button to activate your coupon. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.